Alright, so textbook skew catch. That's why a lot of people don't like the skew or call it the widowmaker because, well, these catches are bad. Look at that. Nice mess. It's okay. So what happened? Most likely, when I went in my cut, I went a little too deep and I engaged the point somewhere here, and that caught and pushed my skew back all the way here. Because most likely I engaged too deep, too fast. And once again, I'm in an awkward position with the skew. I'm far too low, but my tool rest won't go higher.